What are you all doing here?
We're running out of art supplies. Can you show us what's so cool about manufacturing?
Let's go.
Manufacturing was attractive to me because it's about leadership, and every day is a different challenge in manufacturing, and every day has deadlines. So I like the challenge, and I like leading people. Manufacturing is important. I think the coolest thing about manufacturing is that every day it's a challenge. It's never boring. We make products that make children happy. Crayola products do nothing without your creativity. Everybody at some time in their life likes to paint, draw, color, and enjoys that. I feel very fortunate to be part of Crayola.
I love Silly Putty, putting it on the newspapers. It's great.
Sort of how cool manufacturing is, from creating something from nothing, a raw material, all the way to a finished box of crayons. What's so cool for me is seeing the process, right? Seeing the raw materials that go into making a crayon or a marker. I think Crayola means opportunity. I think Crayola means creativity. See a fully produced product at the end of it, I think to me that's awesome, to be able to see that essentially us make something from nothing.
I love making things. At the end of the day, you get to see the product. So we're constantly coming up with new ways to inspire kids to be creative. That's why I came to Crayola. I love our mission. Crayola means to me, it's all about fun. It's what gets me out of bed every day. Nothing better than what we do. I call myself the ambassador of color. What's so cool about manufacturing? Crayons are what's cool about manufacturing.